Hello friends, I am Dr. Rashmi Gaur, Professor of English and Critical Theories in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, IIT Roorkee. Welcome to this short introductory video on my course Contextualizing Gender. This is a 12-week or 30 hours course under the NPTEL scheme supported by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. Every week, we will have 5 modules of about 30 minutes duration each, followed by a weekly assignment. Gender is a central node and undeniably a core social category that influences our everyday lives. It is a polymorphous field of academic inquiry. Contemporary discourse in all fields, either humanities or sciences too, remains incomplete without incorporating it. This course provides an overview and also a thorough examination of major theoretical approaches in contemporary gender discourse. This course highlights some of the key contributions of the critics who challenged the rigid binary of essentialist gender roles. It captures an intersectional understanding of gender, sexuality, and culture, drawing on feminist praxis and critiques of androcentric approaches, wherein scholars like Simone de Beauvoir located new methodologies that shaped the interdisciplinary field of gender studies. More importantly, we shall highlight how intersectionality, gender blurring, queer theory, and the postmodern cultural shifts contributed to the 21st century understanding of gender. These concepts are explored through several authors and critical thinkers, including Toni Morrison, Nancy Shodro, and Teresa de Lauretis. The totalizing construction of gender and womanhood was replaced by the inclusion of questions of race and the experiences of lesbian, gay, bisexual, and transgender people. This inclusion challenged the presumption of heterosexuality that had run through early feminist work. This course talks in detail about philosophers like Eve Sedgwick, Gail Rubin, and of course Judith Butler, who reinvented the concept of gender by addressing the diversity of people's lives and by providing a radical critique of gender essentialism. To further demonstrate the complexity of the concept of gender, the course also engages with the field of masculinity studies, including R. W. Connell, James Messerschmitt, Chris Beasley, and Tel Peretz, among others. Such an approach shifts the focus to the physical body in gender studies, but without reverting to biological determinism. Since the emergence of gender as a concept, multiple and complex frameworks have been developed across humanities and social sciences in order to understand it. And therefore, in my opinion, the most striking feature of this course is the inclusion of critics whose work has significantly come up in the previous decades only and is already influencing the discourse of gender. The course thus takes up in detail recent critics like Anne Balsamo and Jemima Repo, as well as some others who have traced the intersections of gender with virtual reality and cyberspace, analyzing the politics of new reproductive technologies. Through their work, we trace the utopian possibilities and dystopian realities in the biopolitics of the gendered body. As the global pandemic of COVID-19 forced us to reflect in a dramatic way on the limits of the human, the exploration of the post-human through the critical insight of Rosi Braidotti and others alerts us to the urgent need to rethink our anthropocentric understanding of the world. The participants of this course will be encouraged to engage with creative and critical readings as they learn various perspectives of gender. Through this, we can together forge an understanding of various strands of theoretical scholarship of and about gender. Participants who successfully complete the course and attend the final examination would also be awarded with a certificate. I look forward to you joining this course. We will be learning and exploring the world of gender together. Thank you.